Let me get it started. All right.
Go with the ladder. Okay, here we go. Yep, right here. If you start slipping the other way, I'll just push it. You got it, you're good. You're good. Come on. You can balance. Now come on. Come on. There you go. One.
Wait! Dog's out.
Just go. The dog's fine.
All right.
Don't go anywhere. Yep. Go. Where'd she go?
Now her whole body.
Oh, look at
How's she gonna get out?
Look at Luna.
Put Luna on top. Hold on. Oh, Luna.
There it goes. All right, my turn.
All right. Go ahead. Hurry up. I'm not wearing shoes and my feet are freezing.
Okay.
Try and do it. Hold the ladder, Britt.
Try to do what?
What you call it? Nest T plunge.
You're crazy.
Just do a Nest T front plunge.
Hang on, I gotta get back my feet up here. Look at what's getting the car.
Hold it carefully. Nice T plunge, or do hold your knees up. It covered your head. Hey, Mark, you gotta do it again. You can. Mark, you gotta do it again. Because I was too busy watching, I didn't record. What?